Hi there, students. One. Notice the pronunciation. One with an O. Yeah, it's not, well, it's in, as an adjective, it's one. Okay? There's actually an acronym with a different pronunciation, but I'll get to that later. Okay, one. So if somebody is one, this is an adjective you normally use to talk about a person, particularly their face. So they're very pale. If somebody is one, they are pale, they're pallid, they look very tired, they don't look very well. He looked tired and wan after working for 3 months without a break. Yeah, sickly, pallid, lacking vitality. Okay, maybe you could have a wan light, is dim and faint, or without any energy or vigor. Oh, he gave me a wan smile. Okay, so wan, unnaturally pale, normally because of distress, because you're feeling ill or you're emotionally upset or something like that. Yeah, he had a wan expression on his face. Maybe he was depressed, maybe he was unhappy, maybe he was ill, maybe he was tired. He always has a very wan complexion, not connection, a wan connection, very pale and looks unhealthy. Um, he he gave me a wan smile, yeah? So suggesting ill health, an unnatural or sickly pallor, very pallid. Okay, so wan. He's looking very wan. Uh, okay, yeah, the one light the one light of the sun came through the grey clouds, but it wasn't very clear. The sun shone wanly. Okay, there you go as an adjective. The wanness of the light in the room uh, made everything look as if it had no colour. Okay, also you can have WAN as um, an acronym, yeah, for wide area network. You also have a LAN, local area network. Let's see, a wide area network, WAN, notice the different pronunciation, is a network that connects various things, particularly computers are connected in various countries by the telephone lines. That's a wide area network, a WAN, as opposed to your local area network, your LAN. Okay, but that's technical and to do with computers. But one, pallid, pale, without color. Yeah. I guess you could use it metaphorically as well. The performance of the team was so wan that they lost the match by a huge margin. Okay, so what about the formality of this? Let's see. You look very wan. I could definitely say that in an informal conversation, although I think I might give it something like a 5.5 in formality. It's a more literary version of you look white, you look very pale, something like that. And then as to origin, well, there was a Middle English word wan meaning grey, leaden, ashen, yeah, which actually came from an Old English word pan, meaning dark and dusty, which from Proto-Germanic wanaz, dark. Okay, so wan, pale and sickly. I would mostly use this to say somebody looks rather peaky. They look very wan. You could use it to talk about light. The wan moonlight shone through the window, or something that's uninteresting or without any vigor. A very wan performance or a wan expression on his face. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. One.